Thursday afternoon and there is snow on the ground. You guys can't really see it because it's so bright outside, and it's March 14th. It should be spring, it should be warm, at least that's what I'm hoping for. But in Utah, you never know, just wait 5 minutes and it might get warmer. Anyways, I want to talk in this video a little bit about a lot of the BS marketers you see out there peddling these different get-rich-quick Bitcoin opportunities, or stuff these envelopes and send them out into the mail and you're gonna make all this money, right? We've all seen these, we've all been exposed to them. Some of us have had success with them, but I wanna give you the reality and the truth of building an online business and building a business in general. It requires effort, it requires time, it requires months and even years of dedication. So with that being said, you need to understand the expectations of an online business before you join it. And I think people are sick and tired of seeing the same messages, seeing screenshots, seeing checks on a table. Hey, look at me, look at how much money I'm making. These same people put months and years into their business to make the money that they're making today. So I don't want that to fool you. If you want to join an online business, treat it like a freaking business. The problem is it's not entirely your fault. Most people get in, they don't treat it like a business, they treat it like a hobby because most likely they're given false expectations of what it really takes. So I want to give you a refreshing point of view. Somebody like myself that's done over 7 figures online, it takes work. It takes putting out consistent content every single day. Your income is in direct proportion to the amount of people that you serve in the marketplace and how many offers you make. And if you don't have a large audience, if you're not serving a lot of people, then you're not going to make that much money. And just by posting one post to all your Facebook friends or running one solo ad isn't going to get you the results that you want. So stop buying into the BS. If you want to build a real business, build a real brand, put up content consistently every single day, helping at least 1, 5, 10 people, however many people it takes, and put people before profit, and the profit will come. Hope you got value from this video. If you did, go ahead and comment below, like this video, and go ahead and share it, because I know there's a lot of people that need to hear this message so they can go out there with the right expectations to build an online business.